Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So Christian TikToker Kgopolo, who has been receiving death threats after she did a video exposing what's called Kereke Ya Sephiri about 2 weeks ago, which is a secret church and allegedly the church performs evil, has once come out again to clarify a few things. Now she says that Kereke Ya Sephiri was formed during the era of apartheid because people were not allowed to practice their beliefs and spirituality back then. So they formed it as a secret to attend the church secretively. Now she says that Kereke Ya Sephiri does help people in terms of knowing their spirituality, because back then they were not allowed to practice spirituality freely. She says that in the olden days, as the church grew, it was named Israel, the Church of Israel, and all was well up until people from the dark side, devil worshippers rather, decided to duplicate the church and formed their own dark and evil church. That's when the confusion came and people did not know which one is the good and which one is the bad, as there had been many duplicates from people who called themselves members of Kereke Ya Sephiri, pretending to be coming from a good church, wearing a certain uniform, and yet they do evil rather than good. And yes, there are many good Kereke Ya Sephiri out there, while there are still a lot of duplicate evil Kereke Ya Sephiri. So up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the video of Kgopolo explaining everything. But before I do that, do make sure that you comment, you like, you subscribe, and of course you do share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this video. I truly appreciate it. I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye.
Evil associations will always expose themselves even with you not trying to expose them. I get to now. Evil associations will expose themselves when I let that point or shall expose something else, but those that are underlining under that, because they do not understand spiritual coding and spiritual language. But now let's go back to Kereke Ya Sephiri. We are going back to it. Kereke Ya Sephiri Kereke Ya Sephiri was started in the apartheid era because but practice religion because back in that time Kereke Ya Semoya e godisha motho Kereke Ya Sephiri e godisha motho semoyeng ebile ebe e thusha motho gore a khone go tseba spiritual journey ya because back then we were not allowed to practice our spirituality freely. Back then Kereke Ya Sephiri it was named Israel, and Kereke Ya Sephiri all was well until people who duplicated the church. You know, I'm going because now I'm very glad of how you people jumped. You jumped to things you don't understand. You jumped and exposed secret organization because the day and night they are practicing rituals to obtain power. Strong. Every time now the church parted two ways. There are now churches that duplicate themselves as Kereke Ya Sephiri. Yellow is not right. There are places where legitimately they are practiced, seen as Kereke Ya Sephiri there's a duplicate. Mara because the namu traveler but then yet Kereke Ya Sephiri goes on to expose another secret organization within our world that is living. Mone Kereke Mosari is a church. And yet these very same people, I think if you join my life the other day, there's one lady who will pay reference when come Kereke Ya bazalwane mosagare be bontsha Kereke e botse mara boshogo ba dilo tja go tsbalega a re ka mo Kereke ntwa mo maka tja gore o prophet bana ba morutu fela ba ngwa ba prophet ngwana 5 years no gona ga mala re modimo re ke le botse Kereke a re mara I saw that something is wrong. There were things that were being done in the night but not in the day. I get wrong go now. A church can seem like maybe by the apostle of light, for instance. But I was sure in a secret organization. But I was sure they turn into something else. And yes, they also have codes inside them. And yes, still, and yet, people can be stuck in such organizations without them realizing that they're in bad organizations. And I always say that now I aim to I'm still going to expose evil upon evil. In these secret organizations. You don't have to defend God. God knows how to defend himself. Now, if you are in a good church, why are you catching fire? Because now we are grouping them all up together in one. Because now because now in the day they seem like they're fine, but in the night they're doing something else. I don't know if you guys were watching more show as a CTMB. And they were recruited into the church by their mother. Their mother took them there because he was searching for power. You know what? In a nutshell, because churches can be duplicated. There are many big churches today that are duplicated by people who do evil within them. No. God aims to show life. God aims to put everything out in the open so we can be saved and revived. Fire. I love how you guys caught fire because the secret organization. Yet still, do you know why? Because in life there's room for criticism, and I know good and evil coexist. They can never be good without evil. So calm down. And there's nothing you can do. You can send threats, you can send whatever. I'm still gonna expose evil on evil on evil. I do not care. But now I work with God. Have a very beautiful Saturday.